In this video, I will show how to install Linux Mint on Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager. Let's get started. Open your favorite web browser and browse this URL linuxmint.com. Here, click on this download button, and from here, download Linux Mint edition. I'm going to download stable, robust, traditional, matte edition. Click here to download Linux Mint ISO file. From here, click on this any mirror link to download Linux Mint ISO file. I already have downloaded it on my machine. Okay, now open Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager and then click on New to create a new virtual machine. I am going to name it Linux Mint. Okay, now select ISO image, click on Other, and then browse Linux Mint ISO from where you already have stored. Select and then open. You should skip unattended installation and then click on Next. Okay, now enter the base memory size and enter the number of CPU. You can increase the number of CPU if you have enough, and you can increase the base memory, that is the RAM size. Okay, and then click on Next. Now create virtual hard disk. You can increase this size and then click on Next. Now finish. Now I'm going to change some settings. So click on Settings and then click on System tab and then click on Processor and enable this extended feature, and also click on Display and increase the video memory size and enable 3D acceleration. This is the extended feature, and also select graphics controller VMS VGA. Okay, now click on OK. Now I'm going to start Linux Mint installation. Click on Start button. Enable scale mode. To enable full screen. Okay, now select the first option and then hit enter. Okay, now search for display. Open display manager and then increase the resolution Okay, now double click on this icon, install Linux Mint, this disk icon. Now select the language that you want to use through the installation. I'm going to select English language and then click on continue. Now select keyboard layout, then click on continue. Okay, now enable install media codecs and then click on continue. It may take a while for preparing Ubuntu drivers for this operating system. Now you can select the first option, erase disk and install Linux Mint, or you can select the second option, something else. Using this option you can create or resize partitions yourself or choose multiple partitions for Linux Mint. But if you are a new user, select this option and then click on install now. This will create two partitions. Now click on continue. Now select your location and then click on continue. Okay, now enter your name, and also enter a password. Enter same password again and then click on continue. It may take a while for copying files. And then it will take a while for installing the system on VirtualBox Manager. It may take a while for configuring hardware. Now it may take a while for downloading necessary packages. You can skip this downloading. Click on this skip button. The installation is almost done. That's it. Installation has finished. You can continue testing Linux Mint now, but until you restart the computer, any changes you make or documents you save will not be preserved. So click on Restart Now button. Now press Enter key from keyboard. That's it. Now enter the password for this user. Hit enter. Now enjoy Linux Mint. If you like this video, like, comment and share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.